Hey friends and fans of OSG, my name is Alyssa O'Brien, Product Engineer with OSG USA. Do you ever need to drill a through hole and find that the material just won't come clean off the back end of the hole? Or that the burr left behind is just too big? Well, stay tuned and we'll show you how the OSG ADF drill can help you out. Burrs can be cumbersome because they will usually require extra attention, time, and processes to remove them. This adds overall cycle time and potentially extra tooling costs to your part. Now, burrs can happen in almost any situation, but they're extremely prevalent in applications where you need to drill through non-flat surfaces. In situations like these, OSG offers you our ADF flat bottom drill. Take a look at these videos that prove to you how the ADF drill can eliminate those backside clinging chips and also reduce the overall burr height left behind on the hole. In each case, both the conventional 140-degree point angle drill as well as the flat bottom ADF drill need to exit these holes through a curved surface. It's obvious that the ADF drill is way more capable of removing the burrs left behind and also decreases the overall height of the burrs altogether. The bread and butter of the ADF is that this is a true flat bottom drill with an exact 180-degree point angle. This type of drill point directs all of the cutting forces into the axial direction and hence minimizes the size of the pushed out burr. But this is not an end mill. This is a true drill with a point geometry designed as such. An end mill's end cutting geometry is pitched in towards the body of the tool and thus will always struggle with chip breaking and evacuation problems. Not so with the ADF. The OSG flat bottom drill series are ground from a premium quality, high wear resistant carbide and are coated with OSG's proprietary Aegis coating for optimum wear resistance and long tool life. OSG offers our customers a wide variety of flat drills to choose from, ranging in size from 0.2 millimeter all the way up to 20 millimeter, in both inch and metric sizes, as well as in coolant and non-coolant through options. We've even got some long length options. So, if you're a machinist and burring is a pain in your backside, give the OSG ADF series a try today. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.osgtool.com. And don't forget, you can connect with OSG on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. More ADF flat bottom drill videos coming at you guys soon, so stay tuned. See you all next time.